Hello and welcome to another update video about Quant QNT, only focusing here on the lower level price action here in this larger support area that we had. Last video we said we have completed most likely a 5-wave move to the downside, so that could technically be the completion of this move down. Do I believe it? Well, not yet, but we have to be open to the idea that the low could be in. Mentioned to you 5 waves down, we came into the green support area, we've made it lower than the wave 3, so all of that basically minimum requirements for this scenario to make a lower low below wave 3 has been completed, but it's not, we don't have the signal yet that we need. We have an initial wake-up call that the trend could be changing here to the upside, but by far we haven't done anything too exciting yet. I would want it to go eventually above this high, at least $127.50. Before that we cannot really call the low in. What do we have on the micro? So we can currently observe here a possible impulsive move to the upside in the making. At the moment we only have 3 waves, so it could easily be just an A, B and C. But if we get another clear wave to the upside here into the $122 region, that could be a 5-wave move up. That could then complete or constitute a wave 1, and the wave 2 would provide another possible entry point. Why $122? Well, if we take the length of the wave 1 and we take it down to around $113, then it would give us a target of $122 for the wave 5. Why $113? Well, very, very straightforward. Because if we now say we've got this scenario here, this wave count 1, 2, 3, possibly a wave 4 in the making, then another wave 5, then we should not drop below $111, and the ideal target is sort of in the $112, $113 range for this wave 4. Doesn't need to go that low. So with the wave 4 you have areas that you normally go to. The wave 4 target starts at the 23.6% fib level, already reached $114.60. Ideal target, and that is what the highest probability basically is, right? That's what we have to expect to reach with the highest likelihood, is around $113, $112.50. And then we've got down here the $111 level. We should, whatever happens, we should now hold the $111 level. If we don't, this will probably break down. And then we might have to count another 1, 2, or this was really just an ABC and we're breaking down. To be fair, to trust it as a possible reversal, I want to see the 5 waves complete. I want to see one more leg up. If we do see that, this is the first real signal we get that the trend is changing. Should we buy into the green candles? Well, you can do what you want. I wouldn't. I would wait for the retracement. So this is basically, you come from a downtrend. All the way here I've told you we come lower, 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 lower. Worked out nicely. Here we said we've got 5 waves complete. Expect a reversal, at least temporarily. Yeah. But we need to see what kind of structure it has. And if it is a 5-wave structure, that's the first signal the trend is changing, and we could be in this higher degree wave 3 to the upside. That would eventually take us to around $400. So, you can buy what you want, but the thing is, confirmation-wise, this is only the first indication. What you get as confirmation is if we hold support in wave 2. That's why I always like to wait for the retracement, because it's not only like, I don't want to buy into green candles. It's more like, okay, I see 5 waves up. That's the first wave, possibly, but I need to see the wave 2 as confirmation. So support area here, we'll be able to, specify that a bit further if we know that we really get a 5th wave, and if we have really the high, maybe we go a bit higher, a bit lower, but it would be sort of in the region between $106 and $112. That would be an opportunity to scale in below with a stop loss. Risk will be quite low, and then with a possible move up in a 3rd wave. So that's sort of how it would normally work. This is really only at the moment the first signal. We haven't even got the first signal complete. We have a first wake-up call, but we haven't even got 5 waves up. So it's too early to become too excited, but be aware, things could be changing now. But at the moment this could just become a larger head and shoulders pattern or something. It would eventually come down to the $80 level. So at the moment, trend hasn't shifted. I'm purely observing this at the moment. I'm open to the idea the low could be in because the minimum requirements of my scenario have been fulfilled. Ideally, I would prefer it still to go a bit lower, but if we get a signal that is turning around, we just, there's another trading opportunity trade setup, which I just made you aware of. Okay, and that's my update about Quant. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.